all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today we are going to see salwar collections. Lots of people were asking we want salwar, so we thought today we'll do a nice salwar collections. It's going to be more of office wear collections, very nice soft cotton materials and chanderi materials like that. And every piece will be unique. All the salwars you're going to have some twists and turns in all the things. We have some nice ones for you. Before seeing the salwars, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase salwars from us, please take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. Come on, let's start seeing the salwars now. This is a nice one. It's a mustard with green combination material. It's a soft cotton again. Very beautiful for the summer, ideal for the summer and office wears. It's again a neck pattern design. On the center we have a patch in green, and inside that we have a cute small mirror works. Very simple piping also which has been done, and the body is completely printed in green combination. Very pretty and simple design, paired up with a nice green with mustard combination. These kind of printers again also you can use it for a top, and if you pair it up with a legging or a pants. And the dupatta is very pretty chiffon dupatta. Same the print is same as the bottom, very pretty one. On the sides we have piping which has been done on the dupatta also. Very pretty combination, and the price of the salwar is 840. This is again a lovely color combination. I just love the shades. Off-white with a black combination, and the material is a very soft cotton. These are all just ideal for the summer wear and office wears. Again a neck pattern design. On the neckline we have a beautiful grey and black and a gold work which has been done on the center line. On the sides also we have small embroideries. Very pretty design, paired up with a black bottom. This is the bottom. Again the dupatta is going to be classy. All the salwars what we are seeing today, the dupattas are just making it very pretty. This is the dupatta of the salwar, and the price of the salwar is 945. This is a beauty, a indigo pattern design, a soft cotton material. Very beautiful material, and a small design on this. It's a very beautiful one. On the center it's a nice beautiful work which has been done, a small RE work on the center pattern with simple embroideries, and on the sides we have mirror works also. And the design is very pretty one. A simple dotted design, looks more like a bandhani, but it's not a bandhani design, it's a dot type design, and paired up with a contrast grey bottom. Very pretty combination, very different combination. And what a lovely dupatta. It's a soft cotton dupatta. Very pretty dupatta this is, with ikat designs. And on the bottom also we have a nice cute pom-pom in this. Very pretty combination and a very pretty design. This salwar is nice material, and the price of the salwar is 980. This is a beautiful chanderi material, an off-white color, such a classy combination and a classy design this is. It's a fully embroidery pattern on the front. Very elegant and rich looking. Beautiful party wear salwar also. And this work has been done in same off-white color, and in other designs it's been done in silver design. And the center we have beautiful bead pattern designs, and it has been paired up with a green cotton silk material bottom. A very beautiful one. It's a contrast one, and paired up with a plain chiffon dupatta, a pretty green. A lovely combination, and the price of the salwar is 1120. And in this pattern also we have another color combinations, which is again very pretty combination, an off-white with pink, which is any day a lovely design. This is the one. Same pattern, the embroidery has been on the front fully, and it has been an off-white and silver pattern. Very pretty one, paired up with a baby pink cotton silk material bottom, and a nice chiffon dupatta in pink. This is the dupatta. Very pretty material, and the price of the salwar is 1120. This is again a very pretty chanderi material, salwar material. A very nice blue. It's a teal color, And completely we have a beautiful small embroidery which has been done throughout the salwar, on the front part of the salwar. Very pretty embroidery, and inside that we have a small stone also. Closer look of it. And it is being paired up with the contrast navy blue bottom. And the best part of this is the beautiful ikat pattern dupatta for the salwar. Very very pretty one. A nice shade, nice design. And the price of the salwar is 1080. In this also we have a nice color, another color combination in this. A beautiful one. A nice green, a lime green shade. This is a very trending color now. A beautiful lime green shade. In that we have the embroidery is being done in a peacock green shade. Very pretty one. Paired up with a peacock green dupatta, sorry, bottom. And the dupatta is this, a nice dupatta. And the material of the dupatta is more of cotton. It's not pure cotton, it's a mixed cotton, more of a chanderi material. And a ikat pattern dupatta, which makes the salwar more rich and like very different also. It will look very classy when you wear. And the price of the salwar is 1080. This is a very beautiful cotton salwar material, a red color one, a very very pretty red this is. It's a center panel design. On the centers we have a beautiful embroidery which is being done. On the sides and all, it's all printed. On the center it's a very very pretty embroidery, and it has been paired up with a plain cotton bottom and a very very beautiful chiffon dupatta. The dupatta is very very beautiful and nice chiffon. It's also completely printed with foil prints. Very nice one. And the price of the salwar is 1190. We have one more beautiful combination in the same pattern. It's a nice lovely mehendi green. This is the one. Same pattern. In the center it's completely an embroidery one. Same design, same material, all same. Just that we have two colors in this. Very pretty one. This is the bottom. A plain bottom in cotton. And a very very pretty dupatta. A chiffon dupatta. A pure chiffon material, so it just flows. It's very beautiful. And the price of the salwar is 1190. This is again a beautiful chanderi material, a lovely color combinations, a peachish pink, perfectly to say. And it's a self embroidery with a small chunky work throughout the salwar. Throughout the top you have that embroidery, a very pretty one, and paired up with a contrast mustard blouse. And for this salwar also the highlight is beautiful Banarasi dupatta. It's a very very pretty dupatta, lovely dupatta. The material of the dupatta is chiffon. In that beautiful Banarasi weaving has been done, a lovely one. This is the salwar, and the price of the salwar is just 1050. This is a nice design and a beautiful material. It's a soft cotton material, ideal for the summer. Very pretty one. It's a printed one, and on the neckline we have a beautiful embroidery which is being done, and a very very intricate design which is being done on the neckline. And on the sides we have a beautiful bandhani design, and the color of the salwar is a dark elephant color, like it's neither black nor green, it's something like that. It's not a black, but more like an elephant grey, dark one. And on that we have a light lime green color bandhani print which is being done, and we have some foil prints also on that. A very beautiful one, paired up with a very very beautiful bottom. It's again a cotton bottom with a line design. If you stitch straight pants on these type of material, it will be very very pretty. And a nice chiffon dupatta in lime green color. And on the sides of the dupatta we have a beautiful patch which is being done on the sides. It's been given on the borders. Very very pretty salwar, and the price of the salwar is 910. This chanderi material again. This chanderi material generally makes it more of a slightly a party wear or a pretty one for an office wear. This is a beige color, and throughout the body we have a very very pretty simple embroidery with chunky work. And on the neckline we have a beautiful small embroidery which is being done, and on the sides we have a beautiful bead work which is being done with the balls. Very pretty one. and paired up with a contrast maroon blouse. It's a contrast bottom, maroon bottom, and this dupatta is a very classy dupatta, a beautiful one, bandhani print. It's the material of the dupatta is a silkish dupatta, very pretty one, and the price of the salwar is 930. This is a soft cotton material, a black and white classic combination any day. It's completely a printed one, and we have small mirror work which is being done in the salwars. Very, very pretty one, very beautiful, simple one, but very, very pretty one. And the bottom is black, and for this salwar also very nice dupatta, a classy dupatta, a black. In that we have nice white color weaving which is being done, like a border also, and it's completely weaved one. And the price of the salwar is 770. This is a beautiful soft cotton material, a nice material, very, very nice. These cottons you don't need to starch and all, you can just wash and wear. It's a very pretty combination in light grey and yellow color. On the center it's again a beautiful center panel design, a small neckline. In that we have beautiful buttons and embroidery pattern. On the sides and all, it's all completely printed, very pretty and neat work. This is the bottom, paired up with a nice cotton fenugreek color bottom, very pretty one. And again very classy dupatta, embroidery, pure cotton dupatta it is, very pretty one. It's been done like this. We have a beautiful embroidery on the dupatta, very pretty one. And the price of the salwar is 1020. This is a chanderi material, an off-white one, a nice different design. Throughout the body we have a nice mirror work and embroidery which has been done on the front side of the material, very, very pretty one. On the center we have small buttons, paired up with a nice contrast green bottom. This is the bottom, and a very, very beautiful dupatta for this salwar, very, very classy one. A bandhani print in nice silver material, very, very pretty one. And we have some cute tassels which is being done in this, very nice and cute ones. And this salwar we have a lining also in this itself, in the material itself, you don't need to buy the lining. And the price of the salwar is 1180. This is a beautiful beetroot color semi raw silk salwar material, a very, very pretty one. This is again a small central panel design. On the neckline you have a small button pattern and with a gota patti on it, and throughout the body we have a small zari weaving which is being done. Very classy, simple salwar, but a very classy one, paired up with a contrast mustard blouse. And the highlight is the beautiful Banarasi dupatta for this material, a very, very pretty material, a very pretty dupatta also, which makes the salwar very rich and grand. And the price of the salwar is 770. We have some lovely combinations in the same pattern. The next is a very, very pretty blue, nice blue with the same pattern, lovely combination, paired up with the pink bottom. And the dupatta is again a nice pretty one. This is the dupatta, this is the dupatta, pink Banarasi dupatta. So when you wear this dupatta, it really makes the salwar very rich and grand. And the price of this is 770. We have one more combination in this, that's a beautiful maroon, a lovely combo, very, very pretty one, same pattern. And the bottom is mustard, and again a very, very pretty dupatta for this Banarasi dupatta. So it really makes the salwar grand. This is the dupatta of this material, and the price of the salwar is 770. There's one more to it, a beautiful mehendi green, lovely pattern, same pattern, different colors in this, and a nice red, this one. And the dupatta is again in a contrast red color, a lovely one. And the price of the salwar is 770. This is a very pretty salwar material, raw silk material, again a nice material, and very different pattern. It's a center panel design, like no, you have a beautiful embroidery on the neckline, a very pretty one, and on the sides is a very cute elephant print which has been very pretty, no, very classy one. This is the bottom, a contrast green one, and we have a nice chiffon green color dupatta, and the price of the salwar is 700. We have one more combination in the same pattern, that is same pattern again, very very pretty one. The neckline alone changes. In the neckline we have a indigo blue, in this on the other we had green, and the bottom is this, and again the dupatta is in blue color, a very pretty one, and the price of the salwar is just 700. This is a very very beautiful material, and the material is a glaze cotton. Like no, glaze cotton mean you'll have a slight shine in the material, but the material is pure cotton, and the color is a beautiful color, a fenugreek color, very very pretty one. And throughout the body we have a small embroidery with chunky work, like no, very intricate and a very neat simple work, but very classy works these are. Like no, people who don't like very rich, very gacha ones, they just love these ones. This is the bottom paired up with a contrast maroon, and again a very very classy dupatta, very different material, a silkish material, and you have a crumples on the material, and we have a small golden linings also in the bottom, in the dupatta, very very pretty one, a nice one. Like no, this will make the dupatta will itself make the salwar very rich, and the price of the salwar is 1120. This is a very very nice one. It's the material is semi raw silk material, a beautiful fawn color with a black shade. It's a neck pattern design again. On the neck we have a beautiful boxes, and then inside the box pattern we have a nice embroideries, and on the center we have beautiful buttons, golden buttons on this, very pretty one. On the sides it's all a small black color weavings which has been done. It's not a print, it's a very very pretty weaving, and paired up with a nice black bottom. And again this dupatta is also going to be very classy. I think all the salwars today what we are seeing, we have a very very nice dupattas. This is the dupatta of the salwar, and the price of the salwar is very very less, it's just 720. This is a beautiful soft material, soft cotton material, completely a ikat pattern design. The print is completely ikat, and on the center we have a beautiful neck pattern and embroidery and mirror work which has been done in the center, very very beautiful one. And the bottom is a green one, a contrast green one, and again for this also we have a lovely dupatta in cream color. This is the dupatta, very very pretty dupatta also. Oh, again and again it just gets caught with my earrings, sorry. A very very pretty dupatta. We have nice embroidery and block prints which has been done in this dupatta. You have a closer look of that, very very nice and classy one, and the price of the salwar is 1050. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the collections. It's all very budget friendly only, a very very nominal price salwars. I'm sure you would have liked the collections. To purchase them, please take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.